So welcome back to CodingCEO, the channel where I empower you to become the CEO of your own coding journey. In today's video, we will explore the thrilling world of Java's conditional statements. Let's embark on this coding journey. Our adventure begins with the mighty if statement. Imagine you are on a quest to find a legendary treasure hidden deep within a mystical forest. Your guide and ancient map says only those who are 18 or older can enter. So with an age of 20, the gates of the forest swing open and you boldly step inside, ready to face the unknown. So with an age of 20, the gates of the forest swing open and you boldly step inside, ready to face the unknown. So in the coding language, if our integer age is assigned to a value of 20, then if our age variable is greater than or equal to 18, then we need to print you can enter the enchanted forest and claim the treasure. So here age is greater than equal to 18 means 20 is greater than equal to 18, which is nothing but true. So if this condition is true, then we will move towards this block system.out.println block. But wait, the forest is not just about treasures, it's also known for sudden weather changes. As you venture deeper, a sudden thunderstorm approaches. You are in charge of deciding whether your team should set up camp or continue. So with your quick decision, you protect your team from the raging storm or press forward into the mystical forest. So in the coding language, this is called as if-else statement. So I set is stormy variable to true with its data type as boolean. So if is stormy, then we need to print quick, set up camp and stay safe from the storm. Or else we need to print the weather is clear, let's continue our quest. So variable is stormy means is the weather stormy or not. So if this value is true, then the condition goes to if block. If it is not means else, it is go to else block. As you journey deeper into the forest, you come across a village with unique inhabitants. Each inhabitant has different status. Some are friendly, some are neutral, and others are outright hostile. So you must decide how to interact with these villagers, as your journey's outcome depends on it. So in the programming language, it is known as if, else if, and else statement. So if you have three conditions that if this inhabitant status is equal to friendly, then welcome traveler, we will guide you. If this inhabitant status equals to neutral, then proceed with caution. They are unsure of your intentions. And at the last, if none of these statements are correct, that friendly and neutral, then it must be a hostile only. So else block will execute. Here we have inhabitant status variable with a data type of string. We will be clearly seeing the variables of data type string in the string part of our videos, which will come further. So this dot equals method is there in our string. So in previous video, if you miss, you can see it in the notification icon. I said we will explore the ternary or conditional operator in next video, right? Here we go. In the heart of the forest, you find an ancient relic that is said to grant powers. To claim it, you must pass a test. Imagine you are presented with a riddle and must decide whether you have answered correctly or not. So the ternary operator determines whether you have solved the riddle and unlocked the relic's magic or remain mystified. So in coding language, this is called as a ternary operator. I have here a riddle answer as int data type variable with a value of 42. If my riddle answer equal to 42, then this string result variable stores this string if it is true. If it is not true means here instead of 42 I have, let's say, 36. So this becomes false. So if it is false, then my result string will contain this string, the next statement after the colon. So we have the ternary operator condition question mark true statement colon false statement with a semicolon. In this true, we can print directly. In this true, we can store a string and assign it to any string data type. We can store any integer value and assign it to int data type. anything we can do. So this is nothing but the shorter version of if else statement. After that we will print the result variable. So after your forest adventure, you stumble upon a charming coffee shop nestled with the wilderness. If you reach into your adventure pockets, wondering if you have enough coins for a cup of legendary coffee. So your quest might be over, but the legend of your adventure lives on through that cup of coffee you enjoyed, right? So in the coding, it is also known as if else statement. So here we are in the last part of our conditional statement. Picture this: you're planning a vacation and you have several options for your mode of travel. Your decision depends on various factors, and this is where the if else ladder comes into play. Meet the Sarah. She is an avid traveler and her dream vacation destination is beautiful island of Bali. However, Sarah is faced with a complex decision choosing the most suitable mode of travel based on her preferences and circumstances. So Sarah's choices are intricate. She is budget travel. So she starts with the first if. If she prefer adventure, she is advised to backpack through Southeast Asia. If not, she consider the time constraint. A budget flight might be her best bet. If none of these conditions apply, a scenic train journey is suggested. However, if Sarah isn't a budget traveler, she is directed towards the more luxurious option, a direct flight to Bali. So whether you are Sarah planning an adventure filled vacation or anyone else making complex decisions, the if else ladder helps you to navigate your choices with ease. And there you have it, conditional statements that help you conquer the mystical forest. Just like our adventures, coding is a journey filled with choices. Keep coding, keep conquering, and keep being the CEO of your coding dreams. This is Coding CEO signing off. Thanks for watching.